Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we try to see what are the resources, the data board, the main boards which available with me. So now let us see it. So here we can see UNO R3. These two boards are UNO R3 and this is ESP32 cam. We can see this is ESP32 and we also ordered ESP8266. And this is the motor driving board, and I have a couple of a breadboard, you can see it, and here also a couple of a breadboards. Now let us see 37 in 1 module kit, and here we can see these are the sensor daughter boards are available. Now we can see it here. There is a range 37 in 1. So I am using in the project. These are the sensor or daughter boards. We can see it here. Here we can see DC motors and the mini fans. We can see, and we have done a couple of a project. Now we can see we have bought this one to make automatic or obstacle avoidance robot or car. So line follower also we can do. So we are going to do this project also. Now we can see I have a digital multimeter, and this is the rain detector, and this is the LED. This is the 7 segment display. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the 7 segment display, and this is soil master. This is the RTC, and you can see the all the things which are available here. All the things which are available to here, we can see. So these are the resources I am using in our channel, friends. And this is the LCD 16 cross 2 LCD. This is the TSOP. This is the IR receiver. So this is the 9 volts, and this is the touch sensor also I am using in our channel. I am also using the motor. This is MQ3 alcohol detector, PIR sensor. This is the servo motor. You can see both. And this is the switch. And this is the GPS. This is the RFID. You can see this is the buzzer. And this is the RFID, and this is the buzzer. So these are the things we are using in our channel and for the projects. You can see it over here. From that one we have a gun, and this is a soldering setup I have, and other supporting devices, electronic devices or electronic components, LEDs, transistor, capacitor, resistor, PNP, NPN transistor. So these are the resources I have at my place, friends. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel.